You do not need to wash this off your hair. This will help to nourish your scalp, nourish your hair, and promote a healthy hair growth. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this natural moringa hair grease using simple ingredients such as bee wax. Bee wax is actually optional. If you want your hair grease to be very light, then you can skip this, but I like to add bee wax to my hair grease. I am also using petroleum jelly, and here I'm using Vaseline, but you can use any other petroleum jelly available to you. I am using regular Blue Seal Vaseline petroleum jelly. Also, I'm going to be using my moringa powder. Now, I want this hair grease or hair cream to be very nourishing to the scalp and hair. So I'm using my herbal moringa powder, which is a natural herb that is very nourishing to our scalp and hair. This will help to get rid of dandruff, nourish our scalp, promote blood circulation around our hair follicles, and also help our hair to grow healthy. So if you need your scalp and your hair to be well nourished, then you really need to add this moringa powder into your hair grease or hair cream, like I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. I am also going to be using a DIY hair growth oil I made, and you can find the tutorial on this channel. I am as well using castor oil and a fragrance. So I start by adding my petroleum jelly, and I'm going to be listing the right amount of the ingredients I use in the description box. Normally I make this without measuring it, but for the sake of this video, just to give accurate measurement, I decided I'm going to be measuring it. So I added my petroleum jelly and I added shea butter. Then I'm going in with my DIY hair growth oil, which I am also measuring, and I am also going in with my castor oil. I'm using regular castor oil. You can as well use Jamaican black castor oil or any other castor oil available to you. I am also going in with my bee wax, which I said is optional. If you don't want your hair grease or your hair cream to be very thick, then you can skip bee wax, or you can even use stearic acid in place of bee wax. I am also going in with my moringa powder. This has been finely blended, so no need to filter it. So in here I have all of these ingredients well measured out, except my fragrance, which I'm going to be adding later on in the video. Now I'm going to be melting all of this using a double boiling method, which is basically putting the ingredients into a pot filled with water and then allow it to simmer for a while until everything is fully dissolved. So here everything is fully dissolved, and I even let it sit for few minutes just to make sure the herb is fully absorbed into the oil. I let it cool down after a while, and then I added my fragrance. Here I decided to use banana fragrance. Now when you're using your fragrance, make sure to use oil soluble fragrance. This way your fragrance will last longer in your hair cream. So here I have everything well combined, and then I'm transferring it into my jar. I'm going to let it sit for at least 4 hours until it is fully congealed and our hair grease or hair cream, whichever one you choose to call it, is ready. So here we have it, my beautiful DIY moringa hair grease is ready. This is so beautiful to look at, and it smells amazing. It has this beautiful banana fragrance. and you can also choose any fragrance you feel comfortable with. So I decided to use my daughter as usual to demonstrate to you how I use it. Now first, I like to hydrate my daughter's hair with water, and also sometimes I use herbal infused water, but in this video I used ordinary water, and then I went ahead with a leave-in conditioner. After applying the leave-in conditioner, I then went in with my hair grease just to seal in all of those moisture so it can last for a little longer, and then also so that her hair can absorb all of those nutrients, all of those goodness that comes with this hair grease. So this is actually beautiful, like it feels amazing, and it helped her hair to be soft and easy to style. So thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you find it very helpful. If you're going to be trying out this DIY hair grease, let me know in the comment section, and remember, you don't have to rinse it out, and be consistent and also follow your healthy hair care routine, and you'll be thrilled at how much healthy and how much growth your hair is going to experience. So I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Don't forget to give this video a big like, share this video with your loved ones, and also share your thoughts, opinion, and anything you really want to share, and ask your questions as well in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.